But one of the things that we have been very concerned about is looking at things like how we actually transport and process our vegetables. So our merchandisers work very, very closely with our growers to looking at ways of how we get foods to the store. In fact, we're looking at now making sure that even from a transportation standpoint, that we're buying as much product locally as we possibly can. Because why? Because why? From a transportation standpoint, it cuts down on cost. One of the things that's very important to us, we are a very sustainable company. Our goal is to become 100% waste-free, which means that we're trying to control, emissions. We're trying to control, what we build our stores with. We're trying to control all that kind of stuff. And so we've learned that from an economic standpoint, it makes all the sense in the world how we transport our food. If I only have to transport it 100 miles versus 3,000 miles, that's a bit different. It has to do with the freshness of the food, but it also means that the transportation costs now have to be incorporated to the price of the food. So we want to make sure that you receive the best product at the cheapest price possible, which means that we've got to look at everything from how everything is grown to how everything is distributed to how everything is transported to how everything is put into a store.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What's the difference between organic and just regular?
Now, I'm going to have to let her answer that.
And does Walmart have organic?
Yes, we do
Yes,
have organic.
they do have organic. I can speak to that.
We do, yes, we do.